Wow, what could you say about this chicken? Is it good? Okay, Jolly spaghetti right here, and the Jollibee is there. Okay, how is it? Jollibee, the burger here in Manila. We love it. Okay, and I see the burger. So, ladies and gentlemen, oh, my girlfriend last day in the Philippines. Today she's gonna be trying Jollibee before she leaves the Philippines. Yeah, I can take her back. She's sweaty, guys.
It was stressful. I was only thinking like the time that I have to spend time with the young spending here.
Yeah, and we need to wait in another line.
Yeah, but it's okay to wait with you.
Okay. That's so sweet.
So I have this and I know my package is there.
Alright. We get something to eat here at Jollibee. So take a look right here. We are at the Jollibee. It's my first time to try the Jollibee at the airport here. So look at that's Jollibee right there, man. I don't even know if you could do a dining like yeah, you could do dining, bro. You're gonna say like somewhere here. Yeah, so these are just the places you can say. I mean, they don't have like inside, you know, like inside like a restaurant like the normal Jollibee, you know, centers. Yeah, but you need to stay online. Do you think we should stay here? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a little bit shorter. Yeah, so we're gonna stay on this line and Jollibee right there. So we are almost there, and this is the last customer, and it's gonna be our turn. Yay! I actually wanted you to try Jollibee before you leave the Philippines. Yeah, that was one of my wish for you, like try the Jollibee because it's kind of like one of the famous fast food here in the Philippines. Yeah. So now I gotta ask her if I can use my card. Yeah. Hopefully I can use my card. I will appreciate that. Sorry, can I use my card?
Only cash, sir.
Only cash.
Yeah.
I need to go with her right here at the ATM. Yeah. I'm heading back. We literally order the Jollibee and she's waiting while I bring the cash. Because they cannot accept card. Alright. So basically they don't have like a machine to accept cards here, and we had to go with Joe very fast. Success! Success!
Success?
Yeah.
Just wait on the side, sir, to claim the order. Thank you, sir.
I want you to take it to Finland. And another waiting, guys, so we gotta wait here in another line right here. Wow, are you hungry? Kinda. All right. These fast food centers on the airports are very busy. Like we've been standing here for how many minutes? I hope they are not making mistakes because people that we ordered before are already like getting their meals, but we have not received our meal yet. Did we order a lot of meals? Just the burger, 2 burger. How many?
4 different things.
4 different meals. But that's not too much. Like the 2 burgers are the same, and the spaghetti and chicken, and the piece of hot dog. Kuya is so.
success. Sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Mom success. So guys, we got Jollibee here. We got Jollibee here and we're gonna eat right here. So look here, for the first time, she's gonna try Jollibee but not sitting, standing. Jollibee here. So we got the Jollibee here. We got 2 cans of Coke, Zero. And let's see what we got here. So basically, first thing, Jollibee is one of the most leading fast food here in the Philippines. It's actually very popular in the Philippines, but right now there is one Jollibee in Times Square in New York. Yeah, I think that should be the only one there because it's been like trending, like yeah, Jollibee in New York. So not to waste your time, just open this. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have a burger in here. So we have one burger here, and we got another burger here. And who's starving? So she's starving. Okay, let's go try it. All right. We love it. Okay, can I see the burger? Look how juicy it is. So the Finnish girl is trying Jollibee, the burger here in Manila. Comparing this with the burgers in Finland, what could you say? She can talk later. So later we're gonna ask her questions. So I'm gonna eat. So good, right? She's done with the burger. It's time to open this. See how juicy. Let's take a look at this hot dog right here. Try it. Like 2 bites of it. Okay. How was it? How was it? It's good, right? And trying out the Jolly hot dog right here. Wow. So good. Wow. Alright, see what we got here, guys. We got the Jolly spaghetti and chicken. We also got chicken. Look how crispy are those chicken. And as you are eating it, it's gonna be crunchy in your mouth. Try it. Let's go. Try the spaghetti and then try the chicken. Trust me, you're gonna love this spaghetti. Yeah. What do you think?
Tastes
Tastes good, right? Nice. Move this way. Wow. What could you say about this chicken? Is it good? Okay. Here we got the Jolly spaghetti right here, and the Jollibee is there. And who do we have here? Who's the newly engaged girl? All right. Wow. So good. I love the sauce on the spaghetti, you know. Okay, I'm full. I'm full, guys. I'm full.